My name is John Chekan, and I am a senior in microbiology. I'm originally from Pittsburgh. For my honors thesis for the Schreier's Honors College, I'm currently working with an enzyme called prolyl 4-hydroxylase. This enzyme is found in humans and is essential to the synthesis of collagen. This enzyme is actually very important in the history because it was initially identified when sailors developed scurvy when they lacked vitamin C. For my thesis, I'm looking at what exactly vitamin C is doing to keep this enzyme active. There's been many hypotheses developed, but none of them have really adequately explained what vitamin C does to keep this enzyme active.
By doing research in the labs here at Penn State, the students get to participate directly in the science they learn about. So they basically get to see where all the things they learn about in their textbooks are actually generated. This also, when they go back to class, makes what they learn in class more significant. And so they get more out of their classes by doing real research in the lab.
This experience has been very beneficial. It showed me a lot of different things I would not have expected going into research. One of the main things that it's shown me is that how science doesn't always work out as planned. You can do an experiment perfectly well, but for reasons beyond your control, it could just fail. So above all, this experience has taught me that perseverance is very important to science. This has also been very important for me because it's given me an insight into my possible future career. I plan on being a graduate student eventually, and eventually, even after that, being a professor at a university. And this has been a great experience because it showed me what my life would actually be like if I wanted to be a graduate student or even a professor.
It's important for undergraduates to work with graduate students and postdocs because they get just another set of teachers who are closer to what they're experiencing. So the grad students just finished undergrad often. And basically just another set of brains to help them through their classes, their research.
My experience with everyone in the lab, so the grad students, the postdocs, and the PIs, has been extremely beneficial. I get to interact with people who know a lot about what they're doing. Some of the best people in the field are my PIs. And it's just a good experience to directly interact with them and try to communicate maybe issues that I'm having and ones that they may have even had in the past, so I can learn from them, and sometimes they can even learn from me.
So the undergraduate research programs in Penn State BMB are really unique because the undergraduates are integrated directly into the research. So the research is done right on the undergraduate campus. The students are taught by active professors doing research, and they get to participate in research right here.